Can Trump rewrite America's immigration rulebook on day one? The president elect promises to end birthright citizenship, deport millions, and take a hardline stance on NATO. Here's what this means for the future. Currently, the US grants birthright citizenship under the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. This means any child born on US soil automatically becomes a US citizen, regardless of their parents' immigration status. The only exceptions are children of foreign diplomats or enemy forces in times of war. This principle has been in place since 1868 and is considered a cornerstone of American immigration law. President elect Donald Trump confirmed his intention to deport all undocumented immigrants from the United States in an interview with NBC's Meet the Press aired on Sunday. He also stated his plan to end birthright citizenship. If revoked, children born to undocumented immigrants in the US will lose automatic citizenship rights. This was a key Republican campaign promise. Trump also announced a sweeping deportation plan. Over 4 years, he aims to remove all immigrants who enter the US illegally. However, he signaled a willingness to work with Democrats on a deal for Dreamers. Dreamers are undocumented immigrants who came to the US as children. The proposed compromise could allow them to remain in the country. Addressing reproductive rights, Trump clarified his stance on abortion. He stated he does not plan to restrict the availability of abortion pills. During his campaign, Trump praised the Supreme Court for overturning Roe v. Wade in 2022. This ruling ended the nationwide right to abortion. 3 justices appointed by Trump during his first term had voted in favor of overturning Roe. On NATO, Trump maintained a hardline position. He threatened to reconsider US involvement if member nations fail to pay their bills. This continues his long standing criticism of NATO's financial arrangements. Trump's plans signal significant shifts in immigration, reproductive rights, and international alliances. Revoking birthright citizenship could face constitutional challenges. The proposed deportations and Dreamer compromise will likely spark intense political debates. Will these bold promises reshape America or face pushback at every turn? Stay tuned for updates on Trump's agenda and its impact.